So today we are at our annual FD+1 induction event. It's a really jam-packed day, and this is a really good opportunity for them to get stuck in and then be able to take that away and implement it in practice straight away.
The goal of the FD+1 program is to just integrate our new dentists into our lovely Roderick's Dental partners and show them the opportunities that are available to them. Obviously, we have courses available at discounted prices, and we just have so much opportunity and growth within the business that we want to share with them.
Really sure what to expect, to be honest, but it's been really good. It's been very professional, very informative, meeting other people as well. Some people I recognise, which is nice, and it's lovely to see that everyone that's hosting it are also dentists as well.
It's been great to meet the new associates for Roderick's. They've seemed to have had a really good day. There's been a nice mixture of hands-on activities for them, as well as some lectures. I was actually sitting on one of the lectures, and it was about communication. So it's nice to know that the core values of Roderick's align with the foundations of Elevate as well, because a lot of what we teach the Roderick's delegates, they can implement straight into practice.
It's very nerve-wracking to make that next step from a VT to an associate, and what you need to do is just really look for the right place, and you can only find that when you go in and they're welcoming and they're really helpful when it comes to your day-to-day management in clinics. And I do believe Roderick's does that. I'm not saying an independent practice isn't a right choice, but that transition where someone is actually looking at you for your best interest makes it easier.
You have clinical advisors and you get so much more support compared to if you were to go for a different corporate or if you go for an independent practice. The fact that Roderick's provides so much more support, and as an FD+1, I didn't feel like I was confident enough to go fully private or operate completely independently.
I think it's a really good idea to go to events where you get to meet your peers, and this event does that exactly. So all the guys here today are from all over the country, and they've completed their foundation training. They get to talk to their peers, during the sessions, during the breakout sessions, and in the hands-on sessions, and they get to discuss things that are going on in their practice and offer solutions. And that's the great thing about being amongst your peers. You have discussions, you come to solutions, and you realize that actually that it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Every single dentist here will have an approach to how they approach their patients, and everyone is correct.